Morning, Miss Salini. Today, my group will present about the strategic distribution management of UNIQLO company. My group have 7 members. My name is Phạm Thị Vân Giang and my student ID is 1001851731. So now I will present about the background of UNIQLO company. It is a Japanese casual wear designer, manufacturer, and retailer. The company is a wholly owned subsidiary of fast retailing company. It was founded in 2006 by Tadashi Yanai in Ube, Japan. The name of UNIQLO was UNIQLO Warehouse, and the first store was opened in 1984, and it established the SPA model. After Tadashi went to Europe, Hong Kong, and the US, he was inspired by the large casual wear apparel chains like Benetton and Gap, and he decided to open a Japanese casual wear market in his hometown with the business strategy from suiting to casual clothing and purchasing them in bulk at low cost. In 1998, Uniqlo has more than 300 stores all over Japan. After that, UNIQLO was internationally expanded. The first entry for a market was in London in September 2001 and the next was in Shanghai 2002. UNIQLO is so successful with its business. It has more than 2,200 stores in 35 markets including Japan in 2019. The fiscal year ending in 31st August 2019 was $31.53 billion.
My name is Ryan Ng Weng Nam, and now I would like to talk about my part, which is the distribution management. Distribution management refers to the process of overseeing the movement of goods from supplier or manufacturer to the point of sales. And secondly, distribution management is the overreaching terms that refers to the numerous activities and process such as packaging, inventory, warehousing, supply chain, and logistics. In UNIQLO distribution management, the first we need to know is the research and development teams, where the designs are created simultaneously in each center and garment ranges complied to suit each individual markets in UNIQLO R&D. And secondly is the head office, which would control the inventories level by adjusting the timing of price changes in order to minimize inventory risk. And third would be the material procurement and production, which is the manage the material costs and factories inventory. And lastly would be the store, where they manage the sales of the UNIQLO products. Now I would like to talk about the UNIQLO distribution system. As you can see, it starts from the R&D center, which is located in either Tokyo and New York, and next it will head to the head office, which is the store development, store design, and distribute management teams. And next, it will go to the production and procurement, which is the quality control and production process management. And lastly, would be the sales, which is the stores in Japan, UNIQLO international stores, online stores, and the customer service. And finally, would be the UNIQLO distribution model. As you can see from this image, there are 3 main things, which is planning, productions, and sales. The first would be the R&D, and once they design the items, it will go to the merchandising. And next would be the production planning. And once this is done, it will go to the next productions, which is production department. And next to the partner factories. Once this is done, it will go to the sales part, which is the warehouse, and to the inventory control, and into the stores, and finally it is sales to the customer. And that's the last part of the UNIQLO distribution model.
I am the group leader, Khor Boon. I'm gonna present the UNIQLO main logistic and distribution activities. Now I will start to give a summary of UNIQLO main logistic and distribution activities. Its main logistic and distribution activities are mainly based on 2 supply chain models, which are SPA model and TCM system. There are about 2 supply chain models that UNIQLO apply for their business, and these also related to their main logistic and distribution activities. Next, for the UNIQLO SPA model is established by the founder of UNIQLO, Tadashi Yanai. This model was applied to develop and manufacture all its products by its own brand enterprise with unified operation and unified distribution. It will help to save costs without any use of intermediary agents compared to the traditional management model. With this SPA model, the operation of their supply chain become more efficient, which includes their logistics and distribution activities. UNIQLO apply the SPA model and it directly connect their production and sales. By using this model, they are able to respond to the customer need in a timely manner without any intermediaries. Besides that, they are able to manufacture their product as fast as possible to let the product to reach to their customer in a relatively short time. Because of this SPA model, UNIQLO logistics and distribution activities are very efficient, which let the customer able to get their products with the fastest speed. UNIQLO able to shorten the average inventory turnover days to just 80 days. This would let UNIQLO build a leading position in the clothing industry. The reason that UNIQLO able to shorten the inventory turnover days to just 80 days is because their inventory management and their distribution activities. UNIQLO didn't slow down for it as they always keep an eagle eye on it, with their department always observe the sales and stock every week to maintain a maximum level of stock in their store. They're able to coordinate the timing of any price changes to help ensure that the inventory sells out to gain new product from the factories. Now we'll talk about the UNIQLO JIT just in time. UNIQLO uses JIT inventory procurement to supply its customer. With the application of JIT, UNIQLO able to reduce inventory in their supply chain with seasonal commitment and make analysis on their weekly sales. They're also able to cut the order with their partner manufacturer after notice the current product not popular with the customer. After that, now we will see another model which called TCM, Total Chain Management System. The UNIQLO TCM system is different from those traditional supply chain management. Each UNIQLO store needs to determine their order according to specific circumstances. UNIQLO headquarters they will start to arrange shipping instruction and the logistics center will arrange the delivery after receive each store order. For your information, most of the UNIQLO products are shipped to UNIQLO warehouse in Japan from the partner factory overseas. The UNIQLO headquarters will check all of the store inventory to make sure that didn't have any out of stock situation happen. If there are any problems, they will solve it as fast as possible. The factory will make adjustments as fast as possible and make sure that the store will able to receive the additional orders within 10 days. The UNIQLO owner, Fast Retailing Group, have formed a partnership with the company Daifuku. Daifuku mainly established automated warehouse worldwide, transport stock required for sales to the warehouse in the retail market. So for the partnership with Daifuku will help UNIQLO improve their distribution path, increase their sales all over the world with an increased revenue. With the new improved logistics system that will help to reduce much more time with their store will have the product quickly in stock.
My name is Lee Yongshen. Now I'm gonna talk about the issue and challenge faced by UNIQLO. The first issue is international expansion. UNIQLO footprint and awareness are relatively low outside of Asia than mediocre sales revenue and small market share in the United States has become a serious problem for further expansion. UNIQLO is not willing to change its close size for North America market. Next issue will be complex production and distribution system. UNIQLO year-long process is need to research, source and test new fabrics and then negotiate with vendors to place cost-efficient high-volume orders. The mismatch between customer need and the products with loss of sales opportunity and excessive inventories. UNIQLO's slow development cycle run to the risk of missing out on responding to customer demand and expectation. The last will be reliance on reporting. UNIQLO choose to focus on the reports. A large number of reports are collected on many touchpoints and different influencing factors. The structure lack the ability to measure and deliver valuable business insight. Reporting procedure waste time and reduce work efficiency.
Hello, I'm Fan Jing. I'm talking about the improvement in distribution network. Since UNIQLO was suffering the year-long process for customer responding circle, RFID was introduced into UNIQLO to shorten this inherent process towards the customer demand changes. It will accurate the daily sales forecast in each retail store and plan to produce the product in real time. The Airwick project in UNIQLO was launched in 2017. Which means UNIQLO will set the office of merchandise, R&D, and marketing teams together in one building on the same floor to speed up the responding rate and also test control of supply chain. And UNIQLO digitalized the downstream side of the supply chain from retailer to customer to establish a new distribution system by expanding the online store to offer customers the same day or the next day delivery service. Accenture BLC is a partner of UNIQLO who provides MacData to analyze customer behavior. Through data collection system, UNIQLO will be able to combine the MacData of the customer preference, forecast the customer future demand, and also prepare the competition with its competitors.
Hello Miss, I'm Qilin. Now I'm gonna talk about the increased efficiency of distribution channel. The first step is to focus on supply chain management, and then it needs a project plan, visibility and automation in the supply chain in order to achieve low cost, improve service quality and the product availability. The second step is to increase or choose channel intermediaries. It mainly focuses on market expanding such as in China and choose carefully for the intermediaries in order to increase the sales volume and decrease costs.
This is Chong Lai, and I will make a conclusion. A well-integrated distribution management has led UNIQLO to success. SPA and TCM, these two supply chain models, is adopted by UNIQLO. Besides that, Fast Retailing Group has collaborated with Typhoon Group to deliver the goods in the shortest time. UNIQLO have faced some issues which are international expansion, slow production and distribution cycle, and reliance on reporting. So we have given some recommendations which are digitalizing the supply chain and distribution network and increasing efficiency of distribution channel. A well-integrated distribution management has integrated federal success. SPA and TCM constitute supply chain models is adopted by UNIQLO. It is needed to organize Group has collaborated with Typhoon Group to deliver the goods in the shortest time. UNIQLO have faced some issues which are international expansion,